If you like living in the city because you love having all of the modern amenities at your fingertips, but have a hankering to be in the laid-back lifestyle of the cottage or the country, then 293 Earlscourt Avenue is the best spot for you. You can sit on your front porch where you have 8-inch beams, 12-inch beams, a high vaulted ceiling with a fan, rocking chairs. It makes you feel like you're sitting at the cottage. And yet when you step in the door, you have all the modern amenities that the city house will offer you.
The entrance area has lots of built-ins for storage of coats and boots, and there is hardwood throughout the main floor. The home has a separate side entrance, allowing for an in-law suite or nanny suite. The large, recently renovated kitchen features custom cabinetry, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and a gas stove. Key features and upgrades of the home include a new furnace, an own hot water tank, Nest thermostat and doorbell, updated closet organizers, and California shutters. The primary bedroom is large with enough room for a king bed. It also has a walkout to the back deck. The second bedroom is also large and it gets plenty of morning sun. The renovated basement area can be used for an office or a playroom. It does get natural light in there and it has pot lights as well. The basement also has a 2-piece washroom and a large furnace/utility room. It has a cold storage area as well. The backyard is a little oasis. The grape-vine-covered pergola makes it nice and cozy back there. Don't miss your chance to own this charming, unique, country in the city home.